Hello guys, today I will help you on how to fix Android app not installed problem on Android phone. If you are going to try to install some applications from your files, sometimes it will not be installed because of some error. It will show like this. There are three methods to fix this kind of problem. The first one is to allow app permissions. To do this, go to the settings. Scroll down and click App Management. It may be an app and notifications on some other phone. And find Permission Manager and click it. Scroll down again and click Additional Permissions. And you have to allow all the permissions in here. For the second method, you have to turn off the Play Protect. To do that, still go to your settings, find and click Security, and tap Google Play Protect. After opening, click the setting icon on the top right corner. Then, you have to turn off the general settings here. As you turn off the first one, the second one will be automatically turned off. For the third method, you have to update your Play Store. To do that, open your Play Store. Then, tap your profile picture. Tap the settings and click on About. And then, tap the Update Play Store. If you're done with one of these methods, you can try to install your application again. Click the application and click Install. And now, as you can see, it is already installed. Let us try to open. And there, the application is working fine. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.